Hello guys, welcome to Wire Network. In today's video, I will be demonstrating the process of configuring an SSTP VPN server on a MikroTik RouterOS 7. This setup will enable remote access to your network. Before we start, access your MikroTik router via Winbox. Step 1. Create CA and server certificate. Go to System, then click on Certificates. Click on the plus button to create new certificate. Next, set the name of the CA certificate. Next, set your country, state, locality, organization and unit details. Next, set the common name of the CA certificate, then click on Subject Alternative Name. Input the public static IP address of the MikroTik router. Next, go to Key Usage, then select CRL sign and Key Cert sign. Click on Apply, then click on Sign button. Next, click on CA CRL host, then enter MikroTik static WAN IP address. Click on Start to sign the certificate. Next, click on plus button again to create a server certificate. Next, set the name of the server certificate. Then, set your country, state, locality, organization and unit details. Next, set the common name of the server certificate, then click on Subject Alternative Name. Input the public static IP address of the MikroTik router. Next, go to Key Usage, then select Digital Signature, Key Encipherment and TLS Server. Click on Apply, then click on Sign button. Click on CA field, then click on Start to sign the server certificate. Next, go to General tab, then check the Trusted. Step 2. Create an IP pool for clients. Go to IP, then click Pool. Click the plus button to add a new pool. Enter the name for the pool. Next, specify the range of IP addresses in the Addresses field. Click Apply OK. Next, navigate to IP, then click on Firewall. In the NAT tab, click on the plus button to add a new rule. In the General section, set chain to SRC NAT. Click on the SRC address field, then enter VPN IP address subnet. Next, set action to masquerade. Step 3. Create a P profile and secret. Click on P to open the P window. In the P window, click on the Profiles tab. Click on the plus button to create a new profile. Enter a name for the profile. Enter the local IP address that will be assigned to the router's side of the PP connection. Enter the IP pool or the specific remote IP address that will be assigned to the client. Next, navigate to the Secrets tab. Click on the plus button to add a new secret. Enter a username and password for the triple P connection. Next, select Service to SSTP. Assign the created triple P profile to this user. Click Apply and then OK to save. Step 4. Configure SSTP server. Go to triple P, then click SSTP server. Next, check the Enabled box. Set the profile to the triple P profile you created. Set the certificate field to the server certificate you created. Next, check the PFS box. Click Apply and then OK. Step 5. Configure Firewall to allow SSTP traffic. Go to IP and then click on Firewall. Go to Filter rule. Click the plus button to add a new rule. Next, set the chain to input. Set protocol to TCP. Set the DST port to 443. Next, set the action to accept. Click Apply and then OK. Step 6. Export and install CA certificate on Windows PC. Go to System and then click on Certificates. Next, open the CA certificate you created. Click the Export button. Next, enter a file name, then click on Export. Next, go to Files in Winbox. Locate the exported certificate file. Drag and drop the certificate file to your desktop or another location on your PC. Next, right-click on CA certificate, then click to install certificate. Next, select Store Location to Local Machine, then click Next. Select Place all certificate in following store. Then, click on Browse button. Next, select Trusted Root Certification Authorities, then click OK. Click Next. Click Finish. Step 7. Create SSTP VPN on Windows 10. Go to Open Network and Internet Settings. Next, go to VPN. Click on Add a VPN connections. Next, select VPN provider to Windows, built-in. Next, set the connection name. Next, enter SSTP server name or address. Set the VPN type to Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol (SSTP). Enter the username and password that you configured in the triple P secrets on your MikroTik router. Click on Save button. Next, find SSTP VPN profile, then click Connect. Go to MikroTik using Winbox. And access the interface section to check the SSTP connection.